Hello, and welcome back to the MeasureSquare commercial tutorials. In this video, we will be going over the feature called Finalize Random Pattern. This tool allows you to set and save your random tile pattern, which uses the concept tile selected by percentage to a piece-by-piece concept, which then indicates the finalized layout and actual visual representation of the tile placement for installation. When using the random tile method, tile selected by percentage, with half reuse, cut and fit, and no reuse calculation methods, you will see the quantities are in red. The reason you are getting the error in red is that the random pattern method is not a piece-by-piece concept. When you are doing a random pattern method, the software is taking the net area of that room and applying the percentage of the tile you selected. In this case, the room is 10 by 10 and equals 100 square feet. Since I brought in the 3 different tiles and set them to the necessary percentages, I will see them applied throughout the room. However, the visual representation you are seeing in the room is not actually where those tiles will be applied. This view is only a visual representation of the randomized pattern. If you would like to finalize the random pattern using the preview, and you want these tiles to be applied exactly as they are shown, go to the Project Items panel on the far left, where you are able to right-click on the random pattern profile under Patterns and select the option Finalized Random Pattern. After applying the Finalized Random Pattern feature, the visual on the screen will now be converted to a piece-by-piece concept, and the visual will now be the finalized pattern showing you the final layout for tile installation. Once the tile placement is finalized, we are also allowed to replace individual tiles in the randomized pattern as well. To do this, you will right-click on the tile that you want to replace with, and then select Replace Tile in Diagram. Now you can go to the diagram and start replacing the tiles to customize to the random pattern you're doing. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel for future videos and information for all MeasureSquare products.